Hello students, let us try to learn counting today. How to exactly count the numbers on this Abacus scale. If you try to observe over here, if you want, you can start from this dot. So, or you can start from this particular dot, or you can start from this dot. Suppose if you want to start from here, in that case, these values which are there, this represents 1, this bead represents 1. Can you see over here? 1 counting, then 2, you have the counting 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, right? So you can just count it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose if I put it down here, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1 and 0. Let us repeat again. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Let us try to reset this one. This becomes 0. Suppose if we want to count this one, what does this bead represent? This bead represents 5. So this is 5, then this becomes 6. So this bead and this bead gives us 6, and this is 7, and this is 8, and this is 9. So in this particular column, the total addition that you can do is 9. Now if I go back over here, now this is 8, this gives us 7, this gives us 6, this gives us 5, and we return back to 0. I hope you have got the counting from 1 to 9. We shall continue in the next class. Thank you.